In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to your Freshbooks link. It's a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to share invoices or estimates with ease. Whether you need to send a quick link to a client or keep a handy record for yourself, these instructions have got you covered. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Freshbooks account. Once inside, your first task is to navigate to either the Invoices or the Estimates section, depending on what you need the link for. FreshBooks makes it quite intuitive to find these sections. They're typically accessible from the main dashboard. This is where you manage all of your financial documents, and it's from here that you'll be generating your link. Now that you're in the right section, the next step is to zero in on the specific invoice or estimate you wish to share. This part is all about selecting the correct document. If you have multiple items listed, make sure to choose the one that's relevant to your current requirement. It's essential to double-check that you have the right one to avoid sending incorrect information. With your chosen document ready, you'll want to look for the More Actions button. This button is usually found in the toolbar or somewhere around your selected documents options. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with a variety of actions you can take. It's like your command center for handling invoices or estimates, and it's here where you'll find the tools you need to proceed. When the menu appears, what you're specifically searching for is the option that says Copy to Clipboard. By selecting this, you're effectively copying the link associated with your invoice or estimate to your clipboard. The clipboard is like your device's short-term memory, letting you paste your link wherever you need it next. This step ensures that your link is ready to be shared or saved to another document without having to go back and forth. Once you've successfully copied your link, the final step is to click Done to exit the More Actions menu. This ensures everything is finalized and your adjustments or selections are wrapped up neatly. You're now ready to paste your link into an email, chat, or any platform of your choice. And that's it. You've now mastered how to copy and share your FreshBooks link smoothly. This process not only saves time, but also enhances your professional communication by ensuring your clients or colleagues receive exactly what they need in just a few clicks. Whether for business or personal transactions, knowing how to efficiently handle your FreshBooks links is an invaluable tool for managing your finances digitally. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful.